Have you ever wondered how big are the world's biggest snakes? Here are the top 5.
Ha! Amazing!
Number 5. The Indian Python. The Indian Python can develop to a length of around 6 meters and in some cases longer. They have a weight of around 68 kilograms. This reptile lives in the forests of Pakistan, India, Nepal, and Sri Lanka. This snake has an eating routine of little vertebrates and birds. Like all pythons, it catches its prey with strong jaws, then wraps its body around the animal to suffocate it. Tragically, this reptile is pursued for its skin and consumed as food in some places. Loss of habitat is also affecting its population. Number 4. The Burmese Python. The Burmese Python has a length of up to 7 feet and can weigh around 92 kilograms. This reptile lives in the marshes of Southeast Asia, including China. Its body has a girth, or thickness, equal to a telephone pole. Like other pythons on this list, a Burmese python wraps its strong body around its prey to suffocate it. These snakes are trapped and killed for their skin and used as food. Habitat destruction has also contributed to decreasing the prey of this snake, therefore, lowering its overall population. Number 3. The Amethystine Python. The Amethystine Python can grow to a length of 8 meters and weigh around 15 kilograms. Females are usually larger than males. This reptile lives in Indonesia, Papua New Guinea, and Australia. Its habitat includes tropical forests, savannas, and shrublands. Number 2. Reticulated Python. A reticulated python can grow to a length of 9 meters and has a weight of up to 270 kilograms. It's called a reticulated python because of the mixed pattern of its brownish yellow and black scales. The female reticulated python is usually larger than the male. This reptile lives in the rainforests and marshes of Southeast Asia, Bangladesh, and Vietnam. Number 1. The green anaconda. The green anaconda is the biggest snake in the world. It grows to a length of 10 meters and can weigh up to 250 kilograms. If you stretched out a green anaconda to its full length, it would be about as long as the average school bus. Normally, female green anacondas are larger than males. The snake that claims the title of biggest in the world lives in the Amazon rainforests and swamps of Brazil. They are carnivores, capturing their prey of wild pigs and deer by wrapping their tremendous bodies around them and squeezing until the prey is dead. Thank you for watching. If you like this type of content, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to make the algorithm god happy.